Hello viewers, today we'll be seeing how to make vada with moringa leaves. First of all, what is meant by moringa leaves? Moringa leaves is nothing but the drumstick leaves, the drumstick that we use for sambar. That leaves we call it as moringa leaves. In Tamil we call it as murungakirai. This moringa leaves has lot of health benefits. It's a rich source of iron and fiber. And by taking this, our hemoglobin levels also will increase, especially for ladies. This menstrual problems and all will get cured, and this constipation problem also. Those who have this, they can take this leaves in any form, like soup or sambar or vada, like that. It has a very different taste and smell, so because of which it might be difficult to eat it. So this is one of the way, this vada is one of the way wherein we can eat it very normally like any other dish. So I'm going to show you how to make this vada. First, after getting this moringa leaves, on the same day if you are trying to clean it, it will be very fresh. So that time you can just clean it like any other leaves, green leaves. But if you keep it for 1 or 2 more days, it itself will automatically fall down from the stems. So that will be more easy, but it won't be that fresh like the first day. So after cleaning the moringa leaves, 1 or 2 times you can just wash it in water, and then you can boil and keep it. If you are getting a full bunch, you can boil once for all, and half of it you can use it for this vada, and the other half you can keep it and you can use it for sambar. The boiled water, that moringa leaves water, you can use it for preparing rasam or soup. That also will be nice. I'm just boiling this moringa leaves for 1 or 2 whistles in pressure cooker, and I have removed this boiled water separately, and I have kept it here in a separate bowl. I'll be storing it in the fridge, and tomorrow or day after I'll be preparing this soup or rasam, and half of it I have kept for preparing sambar, and very little I'm going to use for preparing this vada. The other ingredients, as we can see, are this coconut half cup, then this moringa leaves 1 cup, and then I have taken this soaked chana dal, that also 1 cup, garlic cloves some 7 to 8, or if it is small up to 10, little ginger, then 1 big onion chopped, 2 red chilies, and little jeera. You can see the ingredients for the exact measurements. Now first I'm going to take this chana dal, and I'm going to blend it in mixer along with other ingredients like this red chilies and this jeera, garlic, and this ginger. So this red chilies, even 1 more you can add, or if you want you can add green chilies also. 1 extra green chilies you can add, and along with the jeera, if you like, you can add this fennel seeds also. Little bit there might be some taste difference. Now I'm going to mix this coarse paste along with this other ingredients like coconut, that half cup of coconut. If you want you can add full cup also. Then this chopped onion, then the boiled moringa leaves. You should not add it raw, boiled, okay. Boiled one will be better. And I'm going to mix everything with little salt, mix it in hand, and make it into again another coarse mix with hand. Slowly you can keep mixing, and then the mix will be ready, with which we can make dumplings and we can do the vada. Little haldi also you can add along with this, so that it will give you a nice color also. Once the oil is hot, you can make dumplings or patties in that shape, and you can fry it in oil. You can fry for 5 minutes or little less also, that should be fine, because already anyway the leaves are boiled, right? So 3 to 5 minutes should be fine. And this serves as a very good starter for meals, during meals time, or even during the tea time you can make it, and you can have it along with sauce or with hot tea. It will be very good, and it is a very, very healthy dish also. Especially children won't like to eat such leaves and all greens, so you can just try to make it in this form and you can give them. Try this, friends. And if you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you.